name's Titus with the Titus Law Firm, here to teach you a thing or two about S-Corps. All right, so what is an S-Corp? An S-Corp is a entity classification, not an actual entity. So if you create a entity such as an LLC or a C-Corp, you can select to be treated as an S-Corp for the purposes of taxes with the IRS. So I'm not a CPA, but the basics are you now turn into, instead of a double taxed entity whereby the corporation makes money and then it gets taxed, and then those individuals who make money, the shareholders and the W-2 folks, but the shareholders, when they make money, they also have to pay tax on that. Whereas when you have an LLC or you have an S-Corp classification for a C-Corp, you make money, you do not get taxed at the entity level, and then when the individuals, the shareholders, take distributions or dividends, they pay taxes at that level only, right? So why would someone pick a C-Corp and then choose for an S-Corp classification? Well, there's a variety of reasons. To me, it seems most plausible and most possible that, you're starting off small and you don't see the need to take that double tax hit, and you want to pass through everything, deductions, expenses, all that stuff, and you just want to impute everything one time to your personal income and not, it simplifies things, right? Now, I think that there's long-term ramifications with that, and they may be good, they may be bad, depending on what you're doing and how you're doing what you're doing. But that's something for you to talk to a CPA about. In any case, why would someone select it? Well, if they're going to have 100 or less partners, shareholders, I should say, they're going to start off small and they want to limit some of the extra steps that need to be taken, reduce their tax burden. It makes life easier, right? Another thing that's easy is that as they grow and they scale, they can get rid of that S-Class Corp designation and they convert right back into a C-Corp. So it's real easy to get the benefits of an LLC in the sense of pass-through taxation at least, but keep the appropriate structure that sets you up for success down the road when you're trying to create something bigger, right? That, in a nutshell, is an S-Corp. It's an entity classification that allows for you to be treated as a pass-through entity until you're ready to not be treated as a pass-through entity. So my name's Titus with the Titus Law Firm, hoping you learned a thing or two about S-Corps.